Hi everyone, this is Kai, Business Development Manager from University of Niagara Falls, Canada. Today I am at the OCSC Expo together with Pacific Premier Consulting. We are located in one of the safest country in the world, Canada, and one of the most peaceful city, Niagara Falls. And at University of Niagara Falls, we are offering a wide range of programs starting from undergraduate programs to postgraduate programs. So one of our very famous programs include Master in Data Analytics, Master in Management, and Master in Digital Media and Business Communication. And plus, we also offer undergraduate programs in biomedical science as well. At University of Niagara Falls, Canada, our programs are offering a very attractive scholarship programs starting from about 13,000 Canadian dollar to almost 50% of the scholarship for some programs. If you are ready to study at University of Niagara Falls, you just need a very simple steps. Consult and contact with Pacific Premier, and then we are happy to help you.